If you have super dehydrated puffy hair like this, or this, even this, let me put you on to the best fix. And that is Color Wow's Dreaming Hair Mask. Now, this is going to make your hair so glassy and silky. And the best part, it works in just 2 to 3 minutes. So I put the mask to the ultimate test and only used it on one side of my hair. And here's my honest reaction. I'm in genuine shock right now. I wanted to test the Color Wow hair mask, so I used it only on one side of my hair. And I used it on this side. Look at how good this side looks. Look at the chunky ends. Look at the shine. Like, it looks absolutely phenomenal. And it's been like 5 hours since I've used it. I did not use it on this side. Look at how like stringy and thin my hair looks, and it just like looks dry. It does not look good. And I have not touched up anything. Like, I swear to you, I have not touched anything up. This is how this side looks. This is how this side looks. Make the decision for yourself. Go get it.